is from the capital, where it is a matter of shame again, because the serious question on women's safety has been raised. This time round, this is a Nagaland origin girl who was allegedly raped. The 26-year-old who was allegedly raped in Delhi's posh Hoskas village. The woman, reportedly from Nagaland, claimed that she had gone to Hoskas on Saturday night to party with a group of friends. While returning home, but she was offered a drop by an unknown person. Now, this person said that his car is parked at a stretch near Deer Park, and he there took her to the isolated stretch near Deer Park, where she was dropped and allegedly raped by the accused. The cops have registered a complaint. A sketch is being prepared as we speak, but so far no arrest been made. This rape coming close to the heels of the other story that we've been tracking from Kerala, how a Malayalam actor has also been allegedly molested and kidnapped. Raises serious questions on the women's safety in the country. 26-year-old from Nagaland was allegedly raped on Saturday night. In the wee hours of Saturday night, was around 1 a.m. is what the initial reports are pointing at. But so far, it's been over 24 hours. No arrest being made. Trying to get my colleague Ilma on this story, and also trying to get some more reactions on this, because it's the Delhi rape shocker that has once again raised questions on women's safety. Let me go across to my colleague Ilma. Now, Ilma, it seems no fear of law, nothing has changed in spite of various promises by the Delhi government as well. In spite of various protests post-Nirbhaya, women's safety remains an elusive statement for Delhiites.
Absolutely right, Devina. In fact, we hear about these instances repeatedly about women being assaulted all across the national capital. What's even more shocking is the fact that this happened in one of the poshest parts of Delhi, at a place that is crowded with people. About hundreds and hundreds of people come to Hoskas village on the weekend, because there are dozens of bars, pubs and restaurants here. So clearly a lot of people do come. You have police personnel when you enter Hoskas village, which is about a kilometer away. There is security, ample security, but even that is not enough, for a woman to be safe. She came with her friends and with her cousins allegedly to out on Saturday night in one of these pubs, and when she was leaving, it happened, because it's so difficult for anyone to get a ride in Hoskas village because of the crowd that assembles here and because of the number of cars that are here. So when he offered her a ride, she took it. They went to the adjacent Deer Park, which is about a few meters away only from Hoskas village, which is where the incident happened. Now, Deer Park also, Devina, I would like to point out, is completely unlit. A lot of people do go there. There's in fact a restaurant there as well. But the rest of the park has no lighting.
Okay.
And clearly not enough security as well.
And we're looking at post 24 hours.
Make sure she's in
Post 24 hours, Ilma, post 24 hours, no arrest being made. Cops are still trying to prepare a sketch of the accused. Can you take us through the area that you're in? Because do we see any security ramp up in the Hoskas market, which is a hub of the capital? It's not happened in some of smaller isolated areas in the capital. This incident is a wake-up call for Delhi administration, because it's happening at a commercial hub, at a party hub of the capital.
Exactly, Devina. It has been over 24 hours. If my camera person could just pan to this particular stretch, this is where all the restaurants are at. This is where the party hub of the national capital is. This is where everyone comes from all ages to have a good time, and especially on the weekends. If you go down Hoskas village towards the main road, that is where the Deer Park is. Now, Devina, as you pointed out, it has been over 24 hours. Usually there is ample security here. Even restaurants and pubs here, all of them do have their own CCTV cameras. Now, what the police is doing is that they're taking footage from certain restaurants and bars to help identify the man. We've also heard the police has made it clear that the victim is fully cooperating, helping give as much information as she can. But, time is running out. Now, the police is identifying CCTV footage,
yes,
trying to find the man who is under suspect. But the problem is, Devina, that once you enter Hoskas village, there isn't enough security.
Absolutely.
There's security 1 kilometer after Hoskas village starts.
Absolutely. In spite of a serious incident which has happened not once but repeatedly in Hoskas, not enough security on the ground. If this doesn't wake up the Delhi administration, what will? One wonders.